Hi, it's Roger from Cockpit. Today we have finally finished the 12-meter catamaran survey boat for water solutions from Maldives. We have now put all the stickers. You can see water solutions. The name is RV43 North. The name and the big logo for the survey purpose. And now we finish all the Davit installation testing, and we also testing the A-frame. So now have a look. This frame is for the survey purpose as well. Will be put in the middle of the rear deck. Now we do all the deep cleaning before the delivery on the truck. So this the big ladder. The boat. This A-frame made by the aluminum, which is quite light and is for the light work, and it can be controlled by this one. It's very easy. Also have the remote controls of this A-frame. Then on the stable side, we have this Davit as well, which can be also controlled by this remote control after connection to the batteries. And the capability range 6,000 pounds. It's quite good. And we have the long seat with cushions. In the middle is a moonpole, which can be opened easily. Then we have the stable side is a separate toilet room. It's quite wide, about 4.1 meters. We have the sink, the toilet, and then we have inside we have this wash basin. So we have the long table with computers. On the screen will be fully open, and three comfortable chairs inside. And adjustable table here with the name of the vessel, and all the cushions will be here. Then you can see on the front, we have a small sleeping area, small galley, and dashboard, which I showed before on the another video. So this when the boat being ready for deliveries. We have a good walkway from the port side and the grab rails. And we have put three solar panels on the roof. These are pretty good for the battery. Then it's the front of the boat. It's the hatch. Everything we change to be surface. So all the boarding will be here, and then walk away out to the back of the boat. You see, we put three windscreen wiper as well. So this ultra cabin makes the boat quite commercial and very good visibility for the captains. Then see the high rail all the way. This ladder, which can be go up to the roof of the boat. Then you see we have a really big deck space for working purpose. And we have the searchlight there for the working purpose for the rear deck. A lot of LED cabin light as well. So now let's go to the boat design. Side of the boat we put is the heavy-duty rubber window. It is quite strong when you alongside the roof. And it's for the deck step swinging. Now we put very strong fix on this steel cradle. And you can also see the design of the boat is quite thick weight, very soft to ride on waters. And then now, after we do all the cleanings, the boat will be loaded on this truck. It's a low bed truck. Then we'll transport to the port and load on the 40-foot flat rack. They ship into Maldives. Once we have more video from Maldives customer, then I will make another video and upload on the YouTube. Okay, this is about this 12-meter catamaran boat. Thank you. Bye bye.